What's up, guys? Today, my name is Leia, and welcome back to my channel.
So today,
We're gonna make slime. We got shaving cream, food coloring.
what color?
Brown,
No, that's green. It says green.
green, glue, and then
Detergent. Tide detergent. Oh, we got the bowl. We have a bowl. And we are going to make, I think it's called fluffy slime?
Yeah, that's
Fluffy slime. Okay. So today we're going to make fluffy slime.
Now,
We don't know the exact ingredients because we never made slime before. But we do know you're going to need some glue, shaving cream, food coloring, and laundry detergent. So let's get started.
I want to do it.
Okay. Take the spoon out. Now you got to pour this whole thing inside of the bowl.
Okay, go.
Yep. Make sure you get it all out. She loves slime. I wish I could have found pink food coloring.
Pink is my favorite color.
Pink and what?
White and gold.
Pink, white, and gold.
Uh-huh.
So pretty colors. Look at that big bubble. Kids, please do not try this without a parent.
Because you will get in trouble. Now look at that. I'm going
see
to pop
it.
it. I'm going to pop it. Really? Pop.
That should be good.
Pop.
I think that should be good. A whole bottle of glue.
Now, Mommy, how am
That
I
should
going to
be
wipe
good.
it off?
No, don't wipe it off. Just hold it. And I'm going to do the food coloring, okay? So that we don't spill it everywhere.
Then, Mommy.
Okay, we're going to do just a couple of drops. And it's green. 1, 2. That's 3 because you squeezed it twice. Okay.
Mix it?
Yep, go ahead and mix. Mix slow. Keep
It's
mixing.
changing good, Mommy.
Yeah, keep mixing until it's green.
Guys, it's changing out good.
Yeah, you can see it. Keep mixing.
Daddy, look at that slime. Come on, look at the color.
Keep mixing. Okay, you keep mixing, okay?
Okay.
We're going to add shaving cream to it. Can you stop for just a second? Hold on, don't mix yet.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Can you mix?
Now mix.
You like that?
Do
Look
it
how the
slow.
cream is growing.
Do it
It's
slow.
getting big.
Can I help you?
Gotta help
Real
her,
quick.
help her with it. What you think so far, Ray?
Awesome.
We can add some more green in here, too.
Oh, let's do it. I'm going to add some
We
more
got to
green.
mix some of this first.
You gotta whip it, whip it, whip it, whip
gotta
it
go.
real hard.
Guys,
Hold on, what?
kind of good.
Hold
Dum. It looks thumbs up, the thumbs up, the thumbs up.
Look good so far?
Thumbs up.
It looks kind of good, Mommy.
You look good.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to keep mixing. Look
It
at
look
it.
like it kind of dark.
It's turning into slime. Fluffy slime. Do you want to add more green to it, or you want it this color
Yeah.
green?
Add
More
the white.
green.
More green. Let me do the food coloring, please. I don't want you to spill it.
Can I do it too? Would you?
Do. Okay, that should be enough.
Now mix.
That was a lot of drips.
Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it.
Changing green, Mommy.
Yep, keep going. Keep going.
It's too hard to mix.
Okay, let me help you. You got shaving cream.
Oh, she got it on her hand. Yeah.
Keep mixing. You think you need more shaving cream?
Yeah. Can I pour it this time?
Yeah, you can. You press that.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
you like that, huh? You like that?
Hold on.
Look at my hand, Mommy.
Do you think you need more food coloring, or is that
Okay,
Yeah, we
now,
make more
now it's
fo-
nice
more
and green.
coloring.
It's nice and green now.
that's enough?
No, I'm gonna put more.
I mean, I guess you guys can put a little more. Be careful with it.
I do it.
Yeah, you got it all over our fingers.
I want to do it by myself.
Okay, that's enough. You want to add the whole
Whoa,
bottle?
whoa,
I
whoa. Oh, yeah, it's going to be really green now. Look at that. Look at that. I like that green, though. I like that green.
I like slime, Mommy.
I know. Keep mixing.
It changed it kind of green, Mommy.
Let me see, because it's coming up a little bit.
You guys, it looked kind of awesome because I know it looked kind of awesome.
Awesome. You said what?
It looked kind of awesome because it's changing green.
Yeah, you like green? Okay, let me see your slime dance. Hey, okay. Oh,
Okay, we have to add this.
Okay,
Have to add
Okay, what's that?
the laundry detergent.
Okay,
I do it
the
by
Tide.
myself.
Okay, we're not gonna add the whole thing though.
Whoa, y'all see that? That looks
Just so.
okay.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
Yep. And now you gotta mix.
I do.
Don't mix it too fast. You make all the slime come out the bowl.
Mama, changing blue.
Can you mix it?
I never seen this get done before, guys. I don't know what's going on.
Can you do it, Mommy?
Yep, I sure can.
So what do you think? How you think it's going so far, Jazz?
I think it's going pretty good. It's real fluffy.
Mommy, can you pour more shaving?
Is it supposed to be fluffy?
Yes, it's fluffy slime. No,
Okay,
not
okay,
yet.
okay,
Not
okay.
no shaving cream yet.
Again,
Yeah, it's called fluffy slime, so it's supposed to be fluffy.
Yeah, I never seen this before. Look at that.
It's thickening up.
Can we do it now?
No, I don't think we need more shaving cream right
I
now.
want more.
Nah,
I don't think we need more
you gonna
shaving
mess it
cream
up.
It's
right
not
now.
even changing any more green, Mama.
Because we put enough
It's
green in
It's
there.
green as good as it can get. Look at it.
Pour more laundry detergent.
It was something on the
Detergent.
Yep.
then
No, we don't
No,
need more
no.
shaving cream.
put the lid on it. Some shaving cream on it.
It looks like, I think the laundry detergent makes it come together. Every time I put it in, it seems like it's getting thicker. We just added like a lot
Can you put more
of shaving cream. See how it's sticking more now?
Like, can we fit more? Oh.
And pour more laundry detergent. Let's finish it off. That should be enough.
It's not a more. You mix it.
All right, let's see what we got now.
It's changing blue, guys.
That's just the detergent.
It looks like it's changing blue. Do it, Mama.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's blue on the bottom.
That look thick.
It do, don't it? I think that's the laundry detergent that does that to it.
Oh, we can add more green because it's not changing green.
No, that's a mint green. That's a pretty green. That should be good.
Okay,
That
are
is
we done
pretty
with it?
thick. Look
It's
at it,
really
Red.
thick.
That looks. So what you think? Just thumbs up.
Can I play with it?
Yep, just 1 second.
You done with it?
Subscribe to my channel.
Okay.
Come on.
Give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys later. Bye.
Bye.